It's a great pleasure to extend my warmest congratulations on the 10th year of 2ID Press Corps. A decade of unwavering dedication sa pagbabalita ng katotohanan and of course transparency in defense reporting. We truly honor the vital role you play in keeping the public informed and making our army accountable. Again, personally, I'm very thankful sa lahat ng membro ng 2ID Press Corps for all our memories. All the good memories that we had. Na-miss ko yung fellowship natin, yung overnight camping, at mga kulitan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. As we approach the joyous season of Christmas, hangad ko po ang kaligayahan, peace and prosperity, tagumpay ng bawat membro ng 2ID Press Corps. Maraming salamat, Merry Christmas, and my snappy salute.
Hey to all of us, congratulations and happy 10th year founding anniversary 2nd Division Press Corps. For me, you are not just a working machine in delivering a fruitful information to the people under our jurisdiction, but a family as well. Again, for me, you are a family that live in a harmonious relationship, and for that very reason, we came up to meet the standards and maintain the dignity in bringing a clear, accurate, and timely information disseminations to our different areas of responsibility. May this anniversary be a fruitful one and push us even more to overcome the challenges of the future. I am very much thankful that I became a part of the group, especially when I was the spokesperson of the 2nd Infantry Jungle Fighter Division, and I am hoping to again work with you in the future as my military journey progresses. Especially, well, of course, in the field of public affairs, kung saan tayo nagkakakilanlan. Mabuhay kayo at tayong lahat. Carry on the good job. God bless us all. Happy 10th year founding anniversary to DPC.
Happy 10th year anniversary to ID Press Corps and more power. And binabati ko si Ma'am Pao. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta mo sa lahat ng members. Mabuhay ka and mabuhay at lahat ng members. And pagpatuloy lang natin ng mga magagandang gawain and gabayan tayo ni Lord. Again, happy 10th year anniversary celebrations to 2ID Press Corps. Firing soon.
So, congratulations to the 2ID Press Corps on your 10th year anniversary. Your unwavering dedication to delivering crucial messages and information has been instrumental in advancing the 2ID mission. Through your efforts, the media has played a pivotal role in ensuring timely and accurate communication, connecting the 2ID with the right audiences and fostering transparency. Here's to a decade of impactful news reporting and continued success in fulfilling your vital role within the 2ID community. Sa inyong lahat, maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon.
Para sa mga officers at members ng 2ID Press Corps, mula sa akin at sa aking pamilya, malugod po namin kayong binabati ng happy 10th anniversary. Nawa ay makapaghatid pa kayo ng mas makabuluhang balita, katulad ng inyong mga ginagawang bukasyon na makapaglingkod ng tapat. Marami ding mga sakripisyo ang inyong nararanasan at mararanasan pa sa iba't ibang kalagayan ng pamumuhay ng tao sa larangan ng pagbabalita. Kaya narito lang ang inyong lingkod na palagi nakasuporta sa 2ID Press Corps. Isabay niyo na rin ang pagbati ko ng maligayang kapastuhan sa inyo at sa kabuuan ng 2nd Infantry Jungle Fighter Division. Advance Merry Christmas po and Happy New Year.
Binabati at pinasasalamatan ko ang 2ID Press Corps sa pangunguna ng inyong presidente na si Ms. Pauline Mojar dahil sa inyong dedikasyon at suporta sa 2nd Infantry Division upang maitaguyod ang tunay na kapayapaan sa Timog Katagalugan. Naway maging makabuluhan at makapaghatid ng saya ang pagdaraos ng inyong Year-End Fellowship 2023 at ng 10th Year Celebration. Naniniwala ako na mas malayo pa ang ating mararating at mas marami pa ang ating matutulungan sa hinaharap. Kung kaya't patuloy tayong magtulungan at pagtibayin ang ating samahan. Mula sa Jungle Fighter Division, taos-puso kaming nananalangin na makamit ng bawat isa ng inyong mga pamilya at ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay ang napakaraming pagpapala at kasaganahan mula sa Poong Maykapal. Sa 2ID Division Press Corps, maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon.